Good morning, dear students. Once again, your English language teacher Payal Pallavi has come before you. Students, how are you? Are you doing very well? I hope you all students are doing very well because you are very intelligent student. You are reading, you are studying your chapter 2 term preparation. Students, I have made so many videos for you, and today in this video I am going to teach you about future continuous tense. Students, you know what is future continuous tense? Future continuous tense that when our work has not happened and not happening, but it will happen in future, okay, and it will be continuing in future. Future continuous tense is also called future progressive tense or future imperfect tense. So students, please get ready for your study. Students, our today's topic is future continuous tense. Once again, I am telling you that tense is also called future progressive tense and future imperfect tense. Now today I will teach you about the sentences of future continuous tense. Okay, so take out your grammar book and get ready for your study. Now students, look at here. This is chapter 18 of your grammar book. You look once again. Your chapter name is future continuous tense. As I told you, future continuous tense is also called future progressive tense and future imperfect tense. It is also called future progressive and future imperfect tense. So now look at here, what are the structures of future continuous tense? Future continuous tense, when the verb is expected to happen in future and it will be continuing in the future, then it is called the future continuous tense, and the structure is subject plus shall be, will be plus verb into ing form plus object. This is the structure of future continuous tense. Once again, the structure of future continuous tense is subject plus shall be or will be plus verb into ing form plus object or rest of the sentence. Correct? You know, students? And you know where we will use shall be and where we use will be. We use shall be with I and we subject. I and we subject we use shall be, and with the subject you, he, she, it, and names of any person, then we use will be. Okay, and the verb is in the fourth form, and you know already students what is the fourth form of the verb. The fourth form of verb is the ing form of verb, like singing, running, going, playing, talking, flying, all are the fourth form, that is called ing form of the verb. Okay students, look here. First of all, we will do the warm-up exercise. Here are some exercises. In this chapter, warm-up is not given, but here are some examples of the chapter. Read the sentences that tell us something about these three pictures. Here, look at students. Here are some pictures. What is the boy doing? The boy is sleeping here. But in future continuous tense, what I have to say? The boy will be sleeping. Okay. Now, what's here is a doctor picture. One girl more, and here is an aeroplane. It will be flying. Now look at students, what these pictures is telling us. Okay. Number one, I shall be going to bed by 10 o'clock. I shall be. Here students, we use shall be with I and ing form of verb go. I shall be going to bed by 10 o'clock. First picture is telling us. Number 2, second picture, what is telling? Mary will be taking her brother to the doctor tomorrow. Mary will be taking her brother to the doctor tomorrow. Okay, it will be in future. Number 3, we shall be flying to Singapore next week. Here is an aeroplane and we shall be flying to Singapore next week. We shall be flying the next week, not now we are flying. Okay, it will be happen in the next week. So when the works or things will be happen in the next week, in the future time, then we use the future continuous tense. Okay, and what is the structure that I had taught you about? The structure, just students, all the students must write all the structures of the tense in your fair copy. Every day I am teaching you about the structures of the tense. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, present indefinite tense, okay, past indefinite tense, okay, future indefinite tense, all I have taught you. So you all have to write the structure, their negative sentence and their interrogative sentence in your fair notebook. Now look at this chapter, the verbs. Shall be going, will be taking, shall be flying are in the future continuous tense. The helping verb is the shall be and main verb is the going. Helping verb will be, main verb taking. And third sentence, helping verb is shall be and main verb is flying. So students, you look here, Singapore next week. Now the verbs shall be going, will be taking, shall be flying, all are in the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used when we want to talk about an action that will be going on or continuing at some point of time in the future. It will be continuing, it will be going on in future and also continuing for some point of time in the future, not now but in the future time. The structure of the future continuous tenses will be shall be plus ing form of verb. Then first we write subject, then either we write will be or shall be, that is depend on the subject of the sentence, and then we use the ing form of the verb. Okay. For example, will be living, shall be waiting, will be playing, will be studying, shall be performing, shall be eating, shall be traveling. So these all helping verb or main verb tells us about the future continuous tense, that the word will be happen in the future, near future, and it will be continuing in the future time. So students, you all understood about the future continuous tense, what is it and what is the definition of the future continuous tense. Now students, we will do exercises. Okay, so take out your notebook and do your exercise. Take a pencil first of all and fill in your book. Then after you will do in your notebook. Okay students, look here, future continuous tense. So I had taught you that we will use subject plus shall be and will be, both of them one, shall be or will be, and plus be fourth form. What is the be fourth form? I taught you like ing form of the verb will be used in this sentence. Okay, flying, taking, running, going, coming, drinking, all ing form, that is called the V fourth form, that will be used here. So students, look here, we will do question number A. Here students, I had taught you about the example will be living, shall be living, will be playing, will be studying, shall be performing, shall be eating, shall be traveling. All are these examples of future continuous tense. These are the examples of future continuous tense. So students, please look here. Here is the exercises that we have to do. After doing exercises, we can learn it properly. To understand this chapter thoroughly and properly, we have to do some exercises. So get ready to do it. Number 1 exercise, A number is, what you have to do here, use the future continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets to complete these sentences. Use the future continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets to complete these sentences. Students, here you have to use the future continuous tense of the verb. Okay? So that is given in the bracket. In the bracket, verb is given and you have to change it into future form. Future continuous form. Okay? So get ready to do it. What you have to write? According to the structure, you have to first written is the subject, then you have to use the shall be and will be. That depends on the subject. If the subject is I or we, then we use shall be, and if the subject is he, she, it and any name, then we use will be, and after then we will use ing form of the verb. Okay, be minded and start your doing exercise. Number 1, we. Here in this sentence, we shall be. We shall be. Here in the bracket is written go. So what is the be for form of go? Ing form of go is going. So here we have to fill, we shall be going on a trip to Kerala in December. We shall be going on a trip to Kerala in December. Okay, student? Now look here again. In the second number sentence, my father, what do you use with my father? Definitely will be. We will use will be. My father will be, and in the brackets is given arrive. So what is the ing form of arrive? That will be arriving. Okay? So look here, my father will be arriving from Jaipur tomorrow. That the sentence is in future tense and it will be continuing in a point of time in future. Once again, my father will be arriving from Jaipur tomorrow. Come to the next number question. In the third number, Miss Pradhan. Here Miss Pradhan, that is, she is a woman, she is a girl, like that. Miss Pradhan, so we have to use will be. Will be, Miss Pradhan will be, and the verb is given take, and the V4th or ing form of take will be taking. So Miss Pradhan will be taking us to the museum tomorrow. Once again the answer, concentrate. Miss Pradhan will be taking us to the museum tomorrow. That's clear to you? Now come to the fourth number question. What's given in your fourth number? I must watch the news this evening. I must watch the news this evening. Kunal Sharma. And what is the verb? Report. The verb is report. So ing form of the verb will be reporting. You know, you can join ing with report, then it will be V4th form. Now once again look here, I must watch the news this evening. Kunal Sharma will be reporting from Afghanistan. Kunal Sharma will be reporting from Afghanistan. Here is Afghanistan. Students who will report, Kunal Sharma will be reporting. Here we use reporting, ing form of verb. So always learn, students, and remember always it that you have to use ing form of verb in future continuous tense, and we have to use in the place of helping verb, that will be shall be and will be. One of both. Okay. Now turn to the next number question. What is the next number question? Look here please. The army. Here the army is written and what the verb is given in the bracket? Help. And you know student, helping is the ing form of help. So what the sentence will be made then? Then the sentence will be made, the army will be helping the people who have lost their homes. The army will be helping the people who have lost their homes. That is the answer. Now come to the 6th number question. What's given? Look carefully. The students. Here students and the verb place choosing. You have to change into ing form choosing. The students will be choosing their captains and perfects tomorrow. Choosing their captains and perfects tomorrow. Number 7. The president. And the bracket verb is written light. The president will be lighting the lamp in inaugurate the film festival. Once again, the president will be lighting the lamp to inaugurate the film festival. Okay, inaugurate means innovation of the film festival. That means, okay. Number 8, our scientist. Our scientist will be. Here also we use will be, helping verb, and the V fourth form of launch, launching. We will be launching a new project into space next week. Once again look at the sentence. What the sentence is? Our scientist will be launching a new rocket into space next week. Not the project, but here is rocket. Okay, look carefully. Our scientists will be launching a new rocket into space next week. Okay, it's clear student. Now come to the 9 number question. That will be Balmik Thapar. Balmik Thapar knows a lot about tigers. Knows a lot about tigers. What the verb is given here? Give. He is giving the students a talk on how to protect wildlife. Once again look here. Balmik Thapar knows a lot about tigers. He will be giving the students a talk on how to protect wildlife. That is the answer. Understood? Come to the B number question students. What's given in the B number? What you have to do? In B number question, each sentence talks about a particular time at which Reena will be doing. Okay? It is a particular time given in this question that will be Reena have to do in the future time. Okay? Something. Use the future continuous tense and write what Reena will be doing. So you have to use the future continuous tense in all these sentences. You have to turn it into future continuous tense. So look here students. First one example is given here. 6 a.m. Reena about to wake up. So what is the sentence? It is 6 o'clock in the morning. AM time is morning time, you know. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Reena will be waking up soon. Correct? Now come to the second number question. 8 a.m. Now again Reena sitting at the table for breakfast. Students, now it is 8 o'clock in the morning. What you have to write? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Reena will be. Here you have to use will be. Reena will be sitting at the table for breakfast. Correct? Come to the third number question. What the third number question is? 8:30 a.m. Reena leaving for school. Here is 8:30 a.m. That means it is 8:30 o'clock in the morning. It is also morning time. 8:30 a.m. Always a.m. shows the morning time and p.m. shows the afternoon time or evening time. Okay. So look here, 8:30 a.m. So it is 8:30 in the morning. Reena will be leaving for school. Reena will be leaving for school. Okay. Now come to the fourth number question. What's given in the fourth number? 1:30 p.m. Here is the time of afternoon time. Here given is the afternoon time, 1:30 p.m. And what Reena will be doing? Reena coming home. So now the sentence will be made that it is 1:30 in the afternoon. It is 1:30 o'clock in the afternoon. Reena will be coming home. Okay. When will be Reena coming home? Reena will be coming home at 1:30 p.m. That's the, it is 1:30 afternoon. Reena will be coming home. Correct? Look at the fifth number question. 4:30 p.m. Here is the 4:30 p.m. Reena going out to play. Here is the evening time. It is the evening time. So now it is 4:30 o'clock in the evening. It is 4:30 o'clock in the evening. Reena will be going out to play. Reena will be going out to play. Okay students, it's clear to you? It is 4:30 o'clock in the evening. Reena will be going out to play. Number the 6. Look at the 6th number. What's given here? 6:30 p.m. Again it is the evening time. So again we will meet Reena doing her homework. What Reena is doing? Her homework. Okay. So it is 6:30 in the evening. It is 6:30 o'clock in the evening. Reena will be doing her homework. Reena will be doing her homework. It is 6:30 o'clock in the evening. Reena will be doing her homework. Number 7. Look here. What is the 7 number given? 8:30 p.m. Reena having dinner with her family. In the 8:30 p.m. that means night time. Now students, it is 8:30 o'clock at night. It is 8:30 o'clock at night. Reena will be having dinner with her family. With her family. And always put the full stop sign at the end of the sentence. You never forget it to put the full stop sign. Either your sentence will be not corrected. It will be incomplete sentence. Okay. So students, in 7 question, once again look here. It is 8:30 at night. It is 8:30 o'clock at night. 8:30 o'clock, or you can write 8:30 p.m. also. Okay. It is 8:30 o'clock at night. Reena will be having dinner with her family. Correct? Number 8 questions. 9 o'clock. Reena reading a book. Here 9 o'clock. It is also night time. So now you write it is 9 o'clock at night. It is 9 o'clock at night. Reena will be reading a book. Reena will be reading a book. Okay. Now students, in 9 number question, look here. It is the last of this chapter. That is 9:30 p.m. It is time going to bed. So 9:30 p.m. Now the sentence will be made. It is 9:30 o'clock at night. Reena will be going to bed. That last, you all students, you will be going to bed at the 9:30 p.m. at night. So Reena will be also going to bed. Now students, this chapter has finished. I think you all have understood this chapter carefully. Is there any problem, anyone? Then you will ask in online classes also if your problem, and what must watch the video. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next video. Goodbye children.